So hello friend, my name is Sachin and my channel name is Sachin Want to Roam. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. And today I am here to tell you how to manage your trip, Maldives trip under 20,000 Indian rupees. And yeah, it is possible. So I will tell you tips and tricks which you have to follow. So today I have planned to discuss few things and I thought this is the best thing which I should discuss with you. So today I'm gonna discuss with you like how I used to book a flight tickets and hotel tickets and the COVID restriction rules which we should follow. And the fourth thing is like the things once you reach to the Maldives, what you should do, and the internet plans and Wi-Fi connectivity, and the do and don't do in Maldives, and the water sports activity prices, and how to plan a Maldives trip for 4 days or 3 days, and the best time to go there in the Maldives, and the drone shot which I have taken in the video number 3. So I will tell you everything, just be there. Hi, so you have to open the Google Chrome and let's type google.com. So I will take for the one way, and from Delhi to Malé we can check, and we can check any date, like it's 7th May, so I can select 8th. So we will get the list of flights, and here we can see INR or dollar we can check. So you can see here it is comparing almost 700 plus sites. So I saw like the Go Air flight, so we can see anyone, we can see Air India. So if you book from this website with the first one, it will give you zero conversion fees. So you have all the websites, so it will compare multiple number of websites. And the same way we have one more website which is skyscanner.com. This is also a good website, and it will also scan all the website. But one more advantage in this, like we can search New Delhi to can't decide where to go. So you just click here, you can select the anything 27th May. Let's search. So it will show you like from Delhi where all the cheapest flights are going on. Like see, we have this flights, we can search, we can go to Dubai in this one, 7,000 rupees, and we can see all the flights which are running from Delhi. Like we can go to Lucknow in 2,200 rupees. Like it will compare everything. So it is one more good website, you can say. Yeah, so on the screen you can see like I have opened agoda.com, and you can see like agoda.com, just I type here Maldives Island, you can type Mafusi also, and I have selected 15th April and 16th April, 2 adults. And once I search, I got this Arena Beach Hotel and multiple number of hotels, you can see. I just want to compare agoda.com with booking.com. I always use these two websites or to book the hotels. And once you search the same thing like Mafusi, 15th April, 16th April, 2 adults, you will get the same hotel, Arena Beach Hotel. You can see here like 4775 is the rate, and 1600 we have to pay for the tax. I want to tell you like we have to pay the tax to the Maldives government always once we book the hotel, and this tax we have to pay at the hotel. You can't pay here. You have to put you have to give the cash at the counter, and this is called as green tax for the hotels. So I will show you the comparison between two. So you can see the cost of Arena Hotel here is 3,500 and once you book from Agoda, you will see at the end the tax you have to pay, and some more amount you have to pay in Agoda, in booking.com. What we do, always ignore this tax amount, because we always we don't see how much tax we have to pay, and we get shocked once we reach to the Maldives, and we always pay this amount 4775, and we always forget to pay this. So this thing we always keep in our mind. And I will show you, like this is a Coco Island resort. 79,000 is the cost, and 19,000 we have to pay the tax. So always see the tax, how much we have to pay. I book Aurora Inn hotel, and we were couple, so we pay $6 for 1 day. So this thing we have to keep in mind before booking the hotel. Let's discuss the COVID restriction rules and what I have done in my trip. Like before going to the Maldives, I have done the COVID negative from the government hospital, so it's free of cost, you can do it, and it should be valid for 72 hours, as you know already. And once you reach to the airport in the Maldives, no one gonna take your report, because in Delhi only they will check all the things. And once you reach the Maldives, there is no restriction for you in the Mafusi and all the things. But if you go to the Mafusi, you can't go to the private island. Suppose you have booked for the private island from the Malé airport. Like from Malé airport, you have to directly go to the private island. You can't go like this. 2 days you stay to the Mafusi island, and from Mafusi you go to the private island. It's not possible now. Yeah, before COVID it was possible, but not right now, it's not possible. So directly you have to go to the Mafusi. Before 22nd February, you can come to the India and you can do the test at Delhi airport or Mumbai airport. But after 22nd February, you have to take the COVID negative report from Mafusi only, and it will cost you around $85 per person. Yeah, I know it's very costly, but I was lucky. I did the same thing in Delhi airport. But now onwards, you have to do the COVID test at Mafusi, and there is no any center and all. Just you have to tell to the hotel guy or to your manager, and he will provide a doctor at your hotel only. And within 24 hours, you will get your result. And that's what I have done in Delhi airport. I paid 3,400 rupees for one person, which was including a free food, and almost 4 to 5 hours we have to stay in the lounge. And it was very good food and very good place to relax. Approximately it took 5 hours, and within 5 hours I got my COVID negative report at the Delhi airport. But unluckily now onwards it's not possible. You have to test at Mafusi Island or any other island where you are staying in Maldives, and you have to pay $85. That's it. So immigration process is very smooth. As you know, visa cost is free of cost. Immigration people, they won't ask you too much. They will ask you the return flight ticket when you want to go to your country back. That's it. So you are reaching to the airport, which is in Hulu Malé, not in Malé. So from Hulu Malé airport, you have to go to the Malé. You have two options. You can take a ferry, which costs you around $1. Otherwise, you can go there via taxi, which will cost you around $3, and you can go by a bus also, which will cost around $50, you can say. And once you reach the Malé, you have to go to the Willingly ferry terminal. From there you can get a Mafusi ferry at 2:30 p.m. every day except Friday, and it will cost you around $2 only, but it will take almost 2 hours. So if you have limited amount of time, from airport you can directly go to the Mafusi, which will cost you around $20 by a speedboat. Otherwise, you have lot of time, you can go to the Malé, which from airport to Malé will be around 20 minutes. And once you reach to the ferry terminal, you can go via public ferry, but it will take 2 hours. But unluckily, due to the COVID restriction, $2 ferry is not working for the tourism purpose. So once you come out from the airport, directly you have to take the speedboat only to reach to your destination, like Mafusi or Filido Island, anywhere. So if you already plan to go via speedboat, no need to go to the Malé. From airport directly you can go to the Mafusi Island. Within 40 minutes we can reach there. But if you're planning to go to the Malé city and you can roam there, within 2 hours you can cover all the Malé city, and from Malé city also you can go to the Mafusi Island. But remember, every 2 hours you will get one speedboat, and it will be after 6 p.m. there is no speedboat, so you should plan accordingly your flights. Like book your flight from India, like you will reach around 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. because 2:30 p.m. we have public ferry. Once you miss that public ferry, there is no public ferry after 2:30 p.m. and you have to go via speedboat, which costs you around $20. So it's better to save money, so try to book your flight tickets like this. Like once you reach the Maafusi Island, I will suggest you like relax for that day because it's almost 4 p.m. once you reach there. And for the second day you can do water sports activities. I want to mention the prices of the water sport activities, which are for jet ski it's $25 for 15 minutes for the couple, and for the parasailing it's like almost $80 for one person, and for the couple it's $130. So multiple number of water sport activities are there. Once you go to the same street, you will get multiple number of shops, you can bargain also with them. And for the third day you can do day tour, and the day tour cost price is like $25 for one person. It's like it starts from 10 a.m. to 2:30 or 3 p.m. and full day tour cost is $50, which will start you around 9:30 a.m. and will end at 5:30 to 5 p.m. So if you want to do half day tour, you have to book a day tour one day before, and definitely they will give you all the instruction to you, and you have to reach the place where they will tell you. Definitely it will be it's the same island, so they will tell you to reach 10 a.m. at their center, and they will provide you all the water sport activity equipments. So in the half day tour they will cover 2 islands, like they will cover also sandbank also. You can swim with turtle, dolphins and shark also. So you can watch my video number 3 for more information. And normal food you can get at Maafusi Island. Food cost will be around $3 to $5 for one meal. So I can say if you are a couple, for one meal it will be around $10 to $12. And if you get a nice breakfast at your hotel, so you can easily skip lunch, because morning 9 to 10 a.m. you used to have breakfast. I think there is no need of take a SIM card over there, because at the airport there is a free Wi-Fi, and once you reach to the Maafusi, there is all the restaurants, they will provide you free Wi-Fi, and hotel also they have free Wi-Fi. So everywhere is free only. So few things you can't take to the Maldives, which are like the material which is made up of pork, or Bible, or any holy books, and alcohol is not permitted in the Maldives. You can drink only alcohol if you go to the private resort. Then only they will serve you alcohol. Otherwise in the public island like Maafusi or Filido, you can't take alcohol and you can't drink. It's illegal. So if you are in Maafusi Island, you have to go to the Bikini beach, which is very near, almost 500 meters you have to walk, and there only you can wear a bikini and shorts. But in the public place you can't wear bikini and shorts, because as you know this is a Muslim country and it's not allowed here. Best time to go to the Maldives from November to February, I can say, because temperature will be little good and it won't be too much humid. But if you go there on June, July, then temperature will be very hot. It will make a problem. Otherwise, whole year you can go there and you can enjoy. So friends, like how you can plan for Maldives trip for 4 nights and 5 days. So I will suggest you, like once you reach to the airport, directly go to the Maafusi Island, enjoy there for 3 days. On the 4th day, morning 7:30 a.m. you will get a $2 public ferry. Catch that 7:30 a.m. ferry and come to the Hulu Male. Stay 4th night in Hulu Male, because in the evening you can enjoy the beautiful sunset at Hulu Male Island. There is a beautiful beach also is there. Enjoy your all day, see the city, Hulu Male city. On the next day you can directly go to the airport, and within 20 minutes you will reach to the airport from anywhere from Hulu Male. So that would be good for you. So what I did, like for the hotel, for the 2 days I booked from Agoda, and next 2 days I booked directly to the from the hotel. in the description all the details are available. He gave me better price compared to the online, so it would be good if you book directly once you reach the Mafusi Island. Yeah, so I hope all the things which I shared with you definitely useful for you. And if you want more information, you can watch my all the previous 3 videos. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please comment below, so definitely I will try to revert on this. And please subscribe, share